Good morning everybody. We are doing chapter number 1 numbers, and last day we have done exercise number 1.2. Today we will do exercise number 1.3, and in this exercise we will first of all do predecessors and successors. So what is predecessor? The predecessor of a number is obtained by subtracting 1 from it, while the successor of a number is obtained by adding 1 to it. Suppose that we will take one example, predecessor of this number. So what we will do, we will just subtract 1 from that, we will get the result. In the successor, we will add 1 to the same number, we will get the another number, that is successor of that number. Now we will do the comparison of the numbers. So how we will compare the numbers? First of all, we have to see the number of digits in the given number. How many digits are there? Suppose that there are 5 digit or 6 digit number. So we will come to the conclusion that the 5 digit number is smaller and the 6 digit number is bigger. If the number of digits in the given numbers are same, then what we will do, we will check the extreme left number whether it is bigger or smaller. If we will find that the extreme left number is higher value, then we will move towards the right side, whether it is bigger or smaller. In the same way, if we will get the same number, if we will get the numbers are same, the extreme left number is also same and the extreme right number is also same, then we have to check the middle numbers. Suppose that we have to put the numbers in the number system numbers, that is ones, tens, 100. In the same way we will get the resulting numbers. Let us take an example so that we will be clear for doing the sums. Compare 98,42,03,544 and 9,25,43,809. Solution. Since 98,43,03,544 is a 9 digit number and the another number is 8 digit number, therefore 98,42,03,544 is greater than 9,525,43,809. Again we will take another example. Compare 66,23,73,478 and 66,23,73,748 using the shortcut method. So we have to put the numbers in a table like this, whatever then is done, and we will get the result. Now we will do ordering of numbers. So what is ordering of number? Ordering of numbers means arranging the numbers in a way with whatever it asks, ascending order or descending order. So what is ascending order? Ascending order means when the numbers are arranged in order from smaller to bigger. Suppose that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, in the same way up to infinity. And what is descending order? When the numbers are arranged in order from bigger to smaller, that is 9, 8, 7, 4, that is 9 is bigger and 1 is smaller. So 9, 8, 7, 4, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, like this. Okay, let us take an example over here. Arrange the following numbers in ascending and descending order. So what we are doing, count the digit of each numbers. So we will count and arrange the numbers in the column, or whatever it is there, we have to put the numbers over there. Now we will do formation of numbers. So how we will form a number? By the given number of digits. So suppose that we have given some digits over in our questions and we have to form the numbers. So whatever the numbers are given and their forms will also be given, that in which way we have to arrange it, from the smaller to bigger or from bigger to smaller. that is ascending order or descending order, or what we have to find, or whether we have to find the smallest number or the biggest number. So for finding the biggest number, we have to arrange the numbers in a way that the bigger number, the biggest digit, the largest number is in the front. That means, suppose that here we are given 2, 3, 5, 6, 1, 4 and 7 to form the smallest and biggest number, largest number. The smallest 7-digit number that can be formed using the digits 2, 3, 5, 6, 1, 4 and 7 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the largest 7-digit number that can be formed is 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, next we will discuss in the exercise 1.3. Thank you.